Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to add fasteners to the assemblies with the help of Fasteners Workbench. The Fasteners Workbench is an external workbench. We install the Fasteners Workbench via the Add-on Manager. Here you find the steps that I used to install the workbench and insert the fasteners. First, go to the Tools and menu, then install the Fasteners Workbench via the Add-on Manager. Search and select the Fasteners Workbench. Install the workbench and then restart the FreeCAD. As you see, I installed already. Restart the FreeCAD, then switch to the Fasteners Workbench. Now select the proper bolt and nut according to the hole diameter and specification. The diameter of the holes is 12 millimeters. Next, set the diameter and the length of the bolt. Set the length to 35 millimeters and change the thread option to yes. Next, insert the nut and set the diameter to M12. First, move the fasteners to the assembly. Now, switch to Assembly Workbench. Next, we start to move and attach a fastener to a circular edge of the hole. Hide the bolt and then constrain the nut with the help of the fixed joint tool. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The next step is to copy and paste the inserted fasteners and transfer to the other holes. Move again the copies to the assembly. To change the position of the copies, go to the Data tab of the Property view and then set the new position. First, move the copies 96 millimeters in Y direction. Select the bolt and then change the value in Y direction from -48 to 48. Move the nut in similar way. We create the fasteners for the other holes in similar way. Select the bolt and the nut and then change the value in X direction from 24 to -24. Copy and paste again for the fourth hole. Now set the values in both X and Y directions. As you see, the exercise is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.